Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, क्या हाल है? Today we are going to discuss about types of matrices. Number one, we have row matrix. आज हम देखेंगे कि मैट्रिक्स की कितनी किस्में होती हैं. सबसे पहले रो मैट्रिक्स. A matrix M is called row matrix if it has only one row. That means a matrix which has only one row is called row matrix. It has two columns or more than two columns, but number of row is one, so it is called row matrix. ऐसा मैट्रिक्स जिसमें कितारों की तादाद एक ही हो उसे रो मैट्रिक्स कहते हैं. नंबर टू, कॉलम मैट्रिक्स. कॉलम मैट्रिक्स a matrix which has only one column, one number of column, or one column is called column matrix. Is called column matrix. For example, 3, 2, 5 is a column matrix of order 3 cross 1. Here number of rows is 3 and number of column is 1. This is a column matrix. Now the third type of a matrix, which is known as rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix ऐसा मैट्रिक्स जिसमें रोज और कॉलम्स की तादाद सेम ना हो, मुख्तलिफ हो, उसे रेक्टेंगुलर मैट्रिक्स कहते हैं. A matrix which has different number of rows and columns is called rectangular matrix. For example, 1, 2, 3 is a rectangular matrix of 3 cross 1 and 5, 2, 6 is also rectangular matrix. In both of these matrices, number of rows and number of columns is different from each other. Now the fourth type of matrix is known as square matrix. Fourth type, square मैट्रिक्स, ऐसा मैट्रिक्स जिसमें नंबर ऑफ रोज और नंबर ऑफ कॉलम सेम हो जाएं उसे स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स कहते हैं. अ मैट्रिक्स which has same number of rows and columns is known as square matrix. Matrix A, which is 2, 5, 3, 9, is square matrix because it has two number of rows and number of columns is also 2. That means number of rows is equal to number of columns. Also these square matrix are 3 cross 3, 4 cross 4, 5 cross 5, etc. etc. Now the fifth type of matrices is zero matrix or null matrix. Number 5, null matrix. A matrix which has all entries ऐसा मैट्रिक्स जिसकी तमाम एंट्रीज जीरो हों उसे नल मैट्रिक्स कहते हैं. A matrix in which all entries are zero is called null matrix or zero matrix. That means a matrix 0 0 0 0 of order 2 cross 2, also 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 of order 3 cross 3, both are null matrix. The sixth type of matrix is transpose of a matrix. The sixth type of matrix is transpose of a matrix. अगर मैट्रिक्स की कितारों को उसके कॉलमों से बदल दिया जाए तो उसे कहते हैं ट्रांसपोज ऑफ अ मैट्रिक्स. Transpose of a matrix if number of rows are replaced by number of columns, then it is called transpose of original matrix. For example, let A be a matrix 2, 3, 5, 7, which is 2 cross 2. The transpose of A, which is denoted by 8t small t in the power of A, written as 2, 3, 5, 7. In transpose, this row has been interchanged with the column. Also, this row has been interchanged with this column. This row becomes this column. This row becomes this column. That means first row becomes first column, second row becomes second column, third row becomes third column, and so on. This is called transpose of a matrix. Now we are going to discuss about negative of a matrix. Negative of a मैट्रिक्स. किसी भी मैट्रिक्स का नेगेटिव क्या होता है? अगर किसी मैट्रिक्स के तमाम एलिमेंट्स के साइन को नेगेटिव साइन से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया जाए या पहले वाले साइन को बदल दिया जाए तो उसे नेगेटिव ऑफ मैट्रिक्स कहते हैं. लेट ए बी a matrix, then its negative a minus a is represented by minus a and expressed as let a which is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1 8, then minus negative of a which is minus 2 plus 1 3 minus 8.